Hey, yeah, Poggy. You are a Poggy one. Hello, hello, hello. Day number 4. They are still here, but they are right now on the other side. Now they will clean it, start cleaning out this side too. Yeah. There is the dump truck already ready. They are attaching that big claws. The guys in the dump truck attaching the big claws, and then they will start pulling out garbage. There. That guy is giving coordination for the operator, that he knows what he need to do, because he can see everything from distance. Here, they're picking up already. Ah, the big claws, they're coming.